Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. So open up Cash App, click the icon in the bottom left. We're going to go to the Bitcoin graph right here where it says buy Bitcoin, and first you need to buy a Bitcoin. We're going to enter any amount that we would like to invest in, but for this example, I will only do $5. So you can ask for your verification. It's confirmed. You have now bought some Bitcoin. Now I'm still staying in this Bitcoin graph. Right click this arrow icon right here. We're going to press send Bitcoin. Now this is going to be the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send to the person. Now below where it says send Bitcoin, it gives you a point number amount Bitcoin available. That's how much of Bitcoin available that you have that you can send to a person. And now with the $4 that I want to send to somebody, the number after the zeros is currently 15124. That is less than the amount I have available. So I am eligible to send this amount of Bitcoin. Press send. Now the very first option that you see here, it says to name hashtag or Bitcoin address. This is where you're going to copy and paste the Bitcoin address that's connected to the wallet that you want to send. So it's going to look something like this. It's going to be a long address. We're going to confirm who is going to by pressing on the name. Now once we confirm this is the Bitcoin wallet address that you want to send it to, we're going to click the name and go next. Now right here it's going to ask you how fast you want the withdrawal to be done. I'm going to go with the first option, priority, and click next. Now here's going to say you initiate a withdrawal of that much Bitcoin. Click done. You have successfully sent an amount of Bitcoin to another wallet. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.